In this video, I want to tell you about the best WordPress theme for blogging. I've used quite a number of themes, I've run quite a number of blogs, and I've come to the conclusion on which theme is the best for blogging. And the theme in question is called Soledad. Just go to Google and search for Soledad WordPress theme. Now, this is it. Now, you can either get it from Theme Forest or you can come directly to the website itself. I prefer to come to the website. So this is the website, pencildesign.net, and this is the landing page. Now, for Soledad, these are the demos you have. These are the different demos you have. Now, you have RTL, that's right to left for the Arab-speaking countries. You have shop, you have multi-purpose, you have news and magazine. You have a plethora of demos which you can just import and use on your website. But I'm going to filter by blog. What we are looking for is a blogging theme. So you can see quite a number of demos. Now, the number of demos Soledad offers is mind-blowing. And each and every one of them is absolutely unique. You don't have too many repetitions and all that. So you can see all of them here. Now, one thing I want to do is I want to open the features on another tab, and we are going to come to that later. But for now, let's just look at the demos, the blogs. Now look at this is simple blog demo. If I open this in a new tab, you see this is what you get right off the bat. This is the avatar of the writer or the owner of the blog, and then you can post things like ads here, your own curated ads. Look at your Instagram pictures, and then recent post with picture snippets, and then your categories. This is actually so good. Then newsletter sign up, which is actually really good. Social media links here. You can see this should be Snapchat. This you can like YouTube, Tumblr. I don't know if people still use Tumblr, Pinterest, Instagram, X, and Facebook. And then look at, you have this cornerstone content here, and you also have other blog posts here. Now, to me personally, I really don't like this demo, so I'll just go to another one which I really like. Let's look at this one. This one is for a craft, DIY craft, arts and craft blog. Maybe you are a craft person. This is really good. This is really good. This is really good. Look at it. You can paste your own banner here, maybe leading to a shop like your Etsy shop or your Amazon shop. This is what it looks like. And the thing I like about this is that it has very little distraction. So it's straight to the point. But there is more. If you're running a beauty blog, a beauty, fashion and beauty blog, let's just say beauty only, you can see this here. This is actually beautiful. Now let's look at something like, no, not photography. Let's look at kitchen blog. Kitchen blog. And then I want to look for something like personal finance too. This one is quite good. I don't know if this is a slider, but it's quite good. So right off the bat, you see everything here. So this person is making, maybe this person is talking about kitchen utensils and is also selling. So this is the good part about it. So this one comes with a shop. Now this kitchen blog has several demos. This is home one. Let me go to this second home demo. This is the second home demo. And this is the third home demo. You can see the way it is here. It shows you featured products on one side, and then it shows you the blog post on another side. And then you can slide. You can slide this way. But for the featured products, you can slide. And mind you, it is also very, very mobile responsive. Now look at this. Since this is a blog that writes posts and also sells articles, the posts and the articles are very, very well integrated into each other. Let's look at the shop. Look at the shop, it's quite good. You can filter up here. You can make it to be a list. can make it maybe 5 or 4 items side by side, a grid of 4. You can make it a grid of 3. You can make it a grid of 2. So the pictures are really large. So that is that. I think I'll make it a grid of 3. And then you can filter on the sidebar, which is really, really good. I don't know even how many e-commerce themes, that's dedicated e-commerce themes, are this well built. Then I'll go back to the, let's go to blog. I want to open an article, a single article. Now look at the blog post. On the sidebar of the blog post, you have these follow buttons, you have recent products, and then you also have recent posts. This is very, very intelligently built. Let me click on one of the articles and see how it shows. You see the sidebar. Okay, now you see this is a big banner, and then you can see, you can add similar post, and then look at this. It's very, very flexible. You can see the sidebar here, a lot that you can do with this. Now that is that for that kitchen blog. I want to look for something like a personal finance blog. Okay, yes, let's go to food blog first, because this is what a lot is trending a lot now. And then travel blog. Let's review this food blog and travel blog. But I also want to look for a personal finance blog, if there is, if it has any of that. I'll go down and go down and go down and go down. We are looking for a personal finance blog, if there is any. I see technology, that could also be a good one. Okay, you see fitness, I think it's going to go in line with what we have, a food blog. So this is a food blog, and I'll tell you this, Soledad is excellent when it comes to food blogging. It is excellent. It has a plugin integrated which enables you to write recipes. Now, this is the demo. You can go, let's look at the second home demo for this same thing, which is actually still very good. And let's look at the third home demo. You can see there, this is still good, but I think I'll go with the demo one, the first home demo. Now look at this. Let me open this, and you see what Soledad does with each individual post for a food blog. Now look at this, jump to recipe. This is actually wonderful. You can just jump to the recipe and it brings you to the recipe. Now, you can also print out the recipe and you can connect to your printer. I don't have a printer installed here, but this is wonderful. You can connect to a printer. Look at, this is your recipe here. Soledad gives you the tools to create a recipe. Look at this. Serves for prep time, 20 minutes, cooking time, 5 minutes, nutrition facts, 300 calories, 10 grams of fat, and then the ratings out of 15 votes, 4.9 on 5 rating. And then you can easily pin this on Pinterest. Which is wonderful. In case you have a Pinterest account, you are the reader, you can pin this on Pinterest. Then you see on the sidebar, it gives you recent post. Look at how it appears here. Really, really beautiful. So Soledad is wonderful in case you want to start a food blog. Then let's come to recipes. Look at the way it displays recipes by category. These are main dishes. These are vegan recipes. Let me just open this. These are vegan recipes. You can see this is the recipe itself. And then you can see noodles, recipes for noodles, breakfast recipes, and all that. Now, personally, I know a food blog that gets close to 50 million views. That's 50 million website hits a month. That's website visit. And I don't think they are making less than 10 to $20 million per month just from that blog, because they also sell a lot of affiliate products. Then this is the About Me. Here is the owner of the blog. This is the About Me page, which is also very beautiful. And then the contact page. So that is that. So let me close this out. And then you see, this is Soledad for travel. it is actually quite good. There are different travel destinations or travel layouts. So this one has a lot you can do. So look at this: infinite scroll, infinite load more post. Let me open that. Infinite load more post. So as we are scrolling down, it's going to be loading more post. Now let me look at one of these blog posts: 5 destinations in North Vietnam. Look at this. And then you can see, as seen on National Geographic, you can integrate all of this. So you see the way the blog posts appear. Then this is on Instagram, then the newsletter, and then you can integrate your banner here, your recent post, and then your categories. Let me look at this other article: the beautiful of West Coast. Note their English is not very perfect because these are just demos, and people can comment. They can comment with their name, email, and website and submit. You can change all of these parameters here. So that is all up to you. Then you can also sell a merch on your travel website. It's loading. You can also sell merch. So you can add merch here and sell that still on your travel website. So this is quite good. This is quite good. And then travel tips. Let me look at this. You can see this mega menu here, which it offers. Let me look at travel tips. So it's basically the same thing. So Soledad is, let's come back. You can get it on Team Forest. You can get it on Team Forest. And I'm sure when you want to buy Soledad here, it's going to redirect you to Team Forest. So you can see you have more than 50 blog layouts you can use. You have different food blogs. This is travel blog 3. You can see it has a different layout. I'll look at that. This is travel blog 3. You can see it looks a lot different from the one we saw. And this is also quite good. So the choice is all yours. Now, mind you, I'm not an affiliate for Soledad. They don't even have an affiliate program. I'm just trying to help you. I just curated it out of the best blogging themes I could find online, and I decided to make a video about it. If you click on buy now, I think it redirects you to Team Forest. Yes, it does. And Soledad costs just $59. Now you can imagine that. $59, and it is Elementor based. It has more than 6,000 homepage demos. More than 6,000. That is pretty huge. And look at this. Using Pencil AI Smart Content Creator. So within Soledad, you can create content using AI, which is really, really amazing. And then the documentation is quite concise. And then you can also use, it also has the Pencil bookmark and follow plugin. Now, I said I'll come to the features. Let's come to the features. That's exclusive Pencil Blocks Templates Cloud Library. So you have a demo, a repository of amazing demos which you can use. And it is very optimized and is very, very fast. So 9x out of 1,000, out of 100 for mobile and desktop. And it's also very mobile responsive. And you can use the drag and drop Pencil header builder. You can also use the Pencil footer builder, which is Elementor based, and it also has WP Bakery integration. And then you can install the text to speech functionality, which transforms all your blog posts into spoken, like a podcast, which people with maybe reading disabilities can just listen. And you can integrate that on your website. You can also use their Pencil Smart Content Creator, which uses the OpenAI API. OpenAI is basically the company that has found the ChatGPT, and it can create content for you. You just integrate your user credentials, and then it's going to start creating content for you based on the prompts you provide. And then it also has an RSS aggregator plugin, which can curate content from all over the net from you. And then the podcast plugin. You can turn your blogs into podcast, and you can use them on YouTube or wherever. Then you can use the Paywriter plugin, and then the Paywall plugin, which is to block some content so that only paying clients, you can offer a membership. You can do a membership so that certain content are only available for those who pay for it. And then front end post submission. People can submit posts on the front end. And then you can add an online store to your blog. And then it also is very, very SEO friendly. Now, I have an entire blog, an entire video on how to create blog posts. You can search that on my channel. And then you can use the Google AMP and Facebook Instant Article supported. I'll not go into that. And then you can integrate advertisements and also integrate affiliate products in articles and in feeds. So you can do that. So Soledad is actually pretty concise. And then you can configure your website in several ways. You can use Elementor, you can use WP Bakery Builder. And then multi-purpose styles for different stories. So you can use different layouts for different kinds of articles. Unlimited single post templates. So different templates for different single posts, all using Elementor Builder. And then you can integrate categories, tags, search, archive page builder, and all that. Unlimited mega menus. This is a mega menu you see here, which is not vertical, but is horizontal. It's horizontal. Unlimited. And then unlimited pop-ups and pop-up builder. So you can integrate pop-ups using Elementor page builder. And then you have 35 plus pre-built slider styles. So you don't need to create the sliders by yourself. And then food and recipe and review system, which is really important for food bloggers. And also maybe for people who own review blogs. And then portfolio layouts for yourself. That's to present your portfolio. And then more than 1,000 fully customizable options. Unlimited fonts and typography options. You can add fonts as much as you desire. Ready to translate for all languages. And RTL. RTL is very, very good for those who are in niches that are mostly propounded by people in the Middle East. And it has also very, very good support. I can attest to that. So that is Soledad in a nutshell. If you want to purchase Soledad, just go to Team Forest and then you can just search for Soledad and you buy it. It's just $59. I'm not an affiliate or anything. They don't have an affiliate product. They don't have an affiliate program rather. I'm just a curious person that wants to help. If you found any value in this video, please like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And before you go, just look at this. Soledad has 51,551 sales. That is pretty huge. And it has 4.87 out of 1,300 reviews. And it has 3,700 comments. This is one of the most popular themes on Team Forest. And this is just on Team Forest. So, like this video, subscribe. God bless you. Peace.